When I grow my business, I'm all about buying back my time. Do you know what I mean by that? If I want to write a sales letter, I could spend 2 weeks doing that. Or I just go and pay someone a couple $1,000 and I get them to do it. And that means I've saved myself 2 weeks. Do you see how that works? You're buying back time. That's how I view this. The best use of your time is going to be directing the efforts of other people towards your goals and giving them what they want in the process. We have about 30 people on our team right now in Moe, the corporate team. And directing those people and aligning their interests with mine, that is the best use of my time. That's how you need to start managing your time. Rather than trying to do lots and lots of things each day, guys, you should aim to get done just 1 or 2 really important things each day. Okay, really. Who's ever sat down at your computer and 4 or 5 hours later, nothing's been done? You know, you've been watching YouTube, emails, you just get bombarded with distractions. I still do that sometimes. I'm eating lunch and I get stuck on YouTube watching all kinds of things. But when I sit down at my office, when I sit down at my desk each day,